Welcome back to our channel One Step, where we post tutorial videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can fix your profile views on TikTok problem. So before I show you the step, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. So the first thing you want to make sure is your TikTok is up to date, because this feature is available in the up-to-date version of TikTok. So if you're using the old one, it's not going to be available. Update your TikTok. And even after updating your TikTok, if it's still not fixed, then the problem could be that you have not turned on profile views on your setting on TikTok. How you guys can turn on profile views is, first you want to click on profile at the bottom right of your screen. Once you're in your TikTok profile, you want to click on the three line at the top right and go on versus settings and privacy. Now once you're inside settings and privacy, you want to click on the second option called privacy. Click on it, and under privacy, scroll all the way down at the bottom, and the second last option versus profile view, click on it and turn it on. Once you do that, your profile view should be on. Now your profile view should be appearing on your TikTok profile, just like this on my screen, as you guys can see. But in your case, let's say you don't have the setting to turn on profile views. And what could be the problem is that you could have a bug in your phone. So in that case, what you can do is delete your TikTok app and reinstall it again. If you do that, then the bug will be deleted as well, and when you reinstall TikTok, you're going to install the fixed version of TikTok and it should be fixed. And after doing all the things which I just did, if you're still not getting the profile view option, what you can do is click on the three line at the top again and go on versus settings and privacy again. And inside settings and privacy, you want to scroll a bit down and click on versus report a problem. So this is a problem and we are going to report it to TikTok. So TikTok staff will view it and they'll help you fix your problem. So once you're inside report a problem, scroll all the way down and click on submit a report. Once you click on submit a report, you want to write this over here. Hey, I don't have the TikTok profile view option. Can you help me fix it? Once you write this, click on submit, and this problem will be submitted to TikTok and TikTok staff will view it and they'll help you fix the problem. So that's how you guys can fix your TikTok missing profile view icon problem. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel One Step. I will see you guys next time.